YuMe and IPG Media Labs present a special edition of Iron Advertising Chef, a video advertising screen size cook-off. In this episode, we will be measuring how screen size affects consumer attention and ad retention in their advertising diet. Which screen should advertisers focus on and why? Which screen is the most emotional? Which one garners the most attention? Which one has the best ad recall? Our expert panel of judges will answer the question: in video advertising, does screen size matter? In IPG's Kitchen Stadium in San Francisco, the heat will be on. As the 4 Media Lab chefs are challenged to create the tastiest video advertising experience, the secret ingredients each Media Lab chef used were selected from a fixed menu of content and ads. The ad load per screen was based on the industry norms for that screen of content. Stay tuned as our 4 screen chefs battle it out to determine whose advertising cuisine will reign supreme. Last season, we watched a fascinating battle end in a surprise knockout as Chef PC triumphed over Chef Traditional TV for conquering viewer distractions and delivering higher ad recall and brand recognition. The surprise verdict in favor of Chef PC showed that viewers had become accustomed to the cadence of the traditional TV ad pods. But this season, we go even further. Our judges come from across the country to sample 4 screens, to view the chefs in a controlled lab environment with content and ad types held constant. Let the challenge begin. Right off the mark, the judges determined that with these chefs, size does matter. We pre-screened 147 judges from all over the United States to determine their preferred screen and escorted them into IPG's Kitchen Stadium. We measured the judges' attention via eye-tracking hardware from Tobii to determine exactly how long they fixated on each chef's screen. The judges wore biometric bracelets from Affectiva that measured temperature and emotional arousal from skin conductance. And to verify our judges' verdicts, we resurveyed them post-test for ad recall. What did the judges decide? Using data from the biometric bracelets, we tracked the judges' emotional responses at specific moments while media dining. And yes, size does matter. Chef Linear TV and Chef Connected TV registered almost twice the percentage time excited with the judges when compared to Chef Mobile or Chef PC screens. Attention levels measured were all very similar, with a slight edge going to screens we are more familiar with. But no one screen was statistically better or worse in the eyes of our judges. We go to the ultimate taste test: ad recall. In a surprise outcome, Chef Traditional Linear TV is defeated, with the worst unaided ad recall by the judges, 8 to 16% worse than other screens. A paradox. The mystery deepens. The scores revealed greater excitement with larger screens, but 10% less recall from the judges. So if excitement and attention do not explain Chef TV's defeat, why was ad recall so low? Here is where we must explore the 3 C's of a great advertising chef. The first C, clutter. Clutter on the screen or in the kitchen is never good. Chef Linear TV has 2 to 3 times more ad load. So high ad load, clutter, counteracts big screen excitement and drives ad recall down. YuMe Network's ad load is on average only 8%, matching the lowest levels tested. Our judges reported a strong correlation between ad likability and ad recall. The second C, creative quality. All chefs who employed creative ads increased ad recall. But with reputations on the line, we throw in yet another secret ingredient challenge. The third C, context. The judges also reported that context is not just about content, but also about physical location where they consume video content. The 4 screen chefs have all fought honorable battles to capture the attention, excitement, and memorable recall of our judges. We found that connected TV is TV without the clutter. Until the next episode, enjoy all your video screens. A special thanks to our sponsors YuMe and IPG Media Lab.